Hi everyone, I am Dr. Anju Varghese. I am a naturopath working at Dubai Herbal and Treatment Center. I had studied Bachelor in Naturopathy and Yogic Science from Tamil Nadu. After that, I was working in Abu Dhabi for the past 8 years. Now I am moved to Dubai where I am working as a yoga therapist, naturopath and a colon hydrotherapist. Naturopathy is a traditional system of medicine which uses our healing power to treat various problems in our body. So we believe that we have a healing power inside our body that is able to treat our body of all illnesses and all problems that's affecting our daily life. But when the healing power is going down, or it's affected by wrong lifestyle, wrong dietary habits and all, then we are not able to heal ourselves. So naturopathy treats the healing power inside our body. Once the healing power is treated, is made strong, the healing power will treat our illnesses. So we use only natural healing treatments, like natural treatments without any side effects or without any chemicals, without harming the body's innate nature. Naturopathy believes in the Panchamahabhuta, which is the 5-element theory. We believe we are made up of 5 basic elements. Even the nature is made of that 5 basic elements, which is fire, water, earth, air and space. We are also a part of the nature. We are also made of these 5 elements. So any imbalance of these 5 elements will result in the diseases. So when treating starts in the naturopathy, we usually works on these 5 elements of our body to treat the disease. So once a patient comes to a naturopath consultation, we'll be doing a detailed consultation where we'll be analyzing which element has gone wrong in the body and why it had occurred in the body, which is the root cause of the problem. Once we identify the root cause of the problem, the treatment becomes easy when we use these 5 elements. 5 elements like fire, we use the sunlight, heat energy like steam, sauna, steam inhalation, like hot treatments we'll be using. Water will be using the cool treatments or the hydrotherapy, hydrotherapy. Then we'll be using like water drinking, ushapanam. We will be using like colon hydrotherapy and all. Then for the earth we use the mud therapy, mud application, mud packs and all. Then air we'll be doing pranayama, yoga, and space we'll be doing the fasting, which is like a very good detox method. PCOD means polycystic ovarian disease. It's very common nowadays in all the females. Every day we are seeing one patient who is like affected with the PCOD. It's a symptom where there will be like no maturation of egg will be happening. There will be the delay in ovulation also. So that these are just the symptoms, but basically if you are looking at is the basic symptoms the patients will be having is like obesity, irregular periods, acne in the face, back, chest and all, then facial hair, hair growth, thinning of hair and all. So once they are coming to our clinic for these symptoms, we do their hormonal profile or we refer to a gynecology where they do ultrasound and we find out that the patient is suffering from polycystic ovarian disease. So here the condition is where the follicles are like becoming like a cyst, but the egg is not mature enough, so there will be cyst formed in the ovaries. So the ovary will be appearing like a bunch of grapes. Here what happens is that mainly there will be insulin resistance happening inside the female body. That may be the root cause also for the PCOD. Naturopathy sees PCOD as a innate problem in the body. The root cause, as I said already, is a imbalance in the 5 elements. So, why did the patient or she had the PCOD need to be diagnosed first? So, it may be due to a hereditary cause, which can be because of the family members are already having the PCOD, the same symptoms the daughter is also having. The other symptom is because other problem is because of the obesity. They're having too much fat deposition in mainly in the waist areas and all, which leads to insulin resistance in the body, and also which leads to the irregularity in the hormonal profile. So these are the root cause we need to be treated with the naturopathy. So to treat any PCOD patient, it's very important to be consistent with the patient. It's not like a one diagnosis, one consultation is enough and the patient will be doing in their own. Continuous follow-up we need to make with the patient, so that they will be we make sure that whatever treatment or program we are designing for the patient, it's like they are doing consistently. So first we do a detailed consultation assessing the lifestyle, the diet problems and dietary issues and the stress level, emotional disturbances, sleep pattern, and the water drinking, how much resting they are having, everything we'll need to check. After that we'll make a program for them. The program need to be continuously monitored for minimum 14 days, from which the patient start feeling the difference in the overall energy level and all. So first will be a detox. First line of treatment will be a detox happening here. That may be a diet detox and together with the yoga detox. In the diet detox, what we will do is we will be giving a treatment where we'll be going for more of like balanced nutrition and also calorie counted nutrition, where we will be working on reducing the fat, mainly concentrating on reducing the fat in the body. So once they are following for the program for like 14 days, they feel an immense loss of weight from 2 to 4 kilos. Even though they are having a hormonal disturbance, the people still lose the weight because of the consistent diet and consistent yoga. In yoga, we'll be working in the basic pranayama, which is breathing exercises, abdomen compression, stretching, and also stress releasing relaxation. So these two will be starting. So this will be doing a detox also, so taking off all the imbalance in the hormones and also reducing the fat, thereby reduction in the insulin resistance also. Along with the diet detox, we need to make sure intake of some herbal supplements also may be required, herbal and nutritional supplements. There is always a finding of magnesium and chromium imbalance in the PCOD patients, which lead to the abnormality of glucose level. So we need to balance the chromium with the help of diet, and also if there is high fluctuation, we need to give them chromium supplement. And the proper relaxation is not happening for the patient because of magnesium deficiency. So we need to provide with the magnesium salts for taking bath or for the hot food bath and all. We will be adding magnesium crystals in the water where they are taking a hot food bath for 20 minutes continuously. This helps in the relaxation of the body and also help in the proper resting. So this happens during the diet and the yoga detox time. So we are working again on the overall well-being of the patient. So after this diet detox and the yoga detox happened, then we will be working on treating the PCOD directly. So we'll be working on abdomen massages. Mainly powder massages is the best one we have suggesting for the patients, with the steam bath or sauna. Then we will be working on the mud therapies on the abdomen, castor oil packs. So these are very good for the direct treatment of the PCOD. And then at the last stage, we'll be continuing making a program with the diet pattern and the yoga pattern that they need to continue for maintaining their healthy weight and also making a hormonal profile correct. PCOD is now common because of the abnormal lifestyle behavior. Everybody is so fond of the junk foods and the fast foods and processed foods. All are behind the taste only. They don't realize the nutritional value of food. If when we are looking for a fast food, it doesn't contain any amount of nutrient, but it is very salty and sweet, increasing the calorie also. So the young children or the which is like reaching the puberty and all, they are so fond of these fast foods and all. So what happens, abnormal intake of these food will will lead to the fat accumulation more in the waist areas and all, and also abnormal weight gain will be happening, which will be directly linked to the hormonal disturbances happening. So when we see that the girls are gaining abnormal weight gain suddenly like 5 to 10 kilos within 2 months and all, we need to make sure that something is wrong going on with the girl. So we need to work first to have a healthy diet in every children, which works not only in preventing PCOD but also in preventing many other problems like diabetes, hypertension, and also thyroid problems, which is very common for teenage, depression. These all are because of the abnormal weight gain. So when we are having a healthy lifestyle and all, we will be working more on the preventing of PCOD. And also we need to include some lifestyle things like morning itself getting up, drink a warm lukewarm glass of lukewarm water, making sure you're drinking enough water like 1.5 to 2.5 liters of water every day, making sure the flushing of out of the toxins from the body. We can include some herbal decoctions in our daily diet programs. Mainly it will be effective in the empty stomach. So we will be taking like 2 to 3 gooseberries and making a juice out of it. So it's high in vitamin C, giving us immunity, and also very good for balance of glucose, and it's a very good liver detox. So we can make another drink is fenugreek. You need to soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in normal water for soak it for overnight. Drink it with the soaked fenugreek seeds in the empty stomach. It's very good for magnesium deficiency, and also very good for relieving the pain during the periods, and prevents the hormonal disturbances, work on insulin resistance also. Then turmeric is a very good, which is curcum. It's very good for the overall detox of happening inside the PCOD. It's very good for insulin resistance, and also it improves the liver functioning. Once the liver is functioning more better, we had seen we can prevent PCOD to a very good extent. So as a matter of to preventing PCOS, I will be recommending you to do a liver detox program, which comprises a plant-based program for 1 month with continuous detox happening. So it will be like a plant-based diet detox with the yoga detox. It will be like adding with the additional liver supplements also. Will be going for a very good liver detoxification. If you're doing a liver detoxification every year once, we can prevent PCOD to a great extent. It's a really happy to be a part of Experienceology. It's really being a part of a blissful soul here. So my advice is to follow a organic, chemical-free, healthy diet and lifestyle, happy lifestyle, which is very important. So we can work on together to make ourselves healthy and happy. Once we are healthy and happy, our family will become the same, and slowly we can change the society to a better future.